So hi guys, today we'll see one more Java program, that is what. So in last videos we have created an array and we have assigned the values, and using the index we have accessed the value. Now without the index I can access the value, that is how. So I need an index, but I using a loops here. So we'll see the program. Access the array values using a loop and change the element values. So how to change the elements values using the index? So first we'll create a what class, public class, public class. So what I am creating is access array. So this is my class name. So next I will create a main method. So public static void main. So main method in this string arguments. So next, so I have created a what. Now I will save the program with the class name because it contains a main method. So I will save the file name with what, class name. So extension dot java I have given. So save. So now program is saved. So now we'll create an array. Create an array. Yes, I just commented here for user reference. So how to create an array? So we'll take a same example, age. So we'll assign the values for that. So age is 20, age is 40, age is 10, age is 50, age is 100. So I've given some 5 values for a age. So I've assigned some values for a age here. So I type a array. So next what I will do, so now array is ready. Now how to access the element using, so using a loop, accessing the elements. So how to do that? Elements. So now which loop I need to take? Is I need to take a while loop. So is I can give a start point where the condition need to stop and my increment and decrement. So where it is present in a for loop, or you can go for a for each, but I will take a for loop. So basic thing. So we are starting with a 0 index. So first I need to take a length. How many length is there? So if it is in a long number, so it is many numbers are there. So how to identify that? So for that we'll identify the length here. System dot out dot println. So directly you can mention in a for loop, but we'll check the length first. Age dot, so I have a length as a keyword. So it's going to give a length of what, our length of our array. So we'll execute this, we'll see the length. What is the command? javac and class name, or can say file name, both are same here. Paste and dot java. So now run java and my class name, paste. So what is the length? 5. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually we are starting from 0 in the sense length is 5. So we'll take a 5 as a length. So now what I will do, for. So we are starting with the index, we'll start with the index what, I equal to 1. So that will be end up with the what, 5. And less than I can directly mention here. So if I don't know about what length, so just take age dot length. So till the length it will take I plus plus. So after, so if it is true, I want to display the elements. So directly how you are displaying. So how I am displaying, rather than using an index for a of I, a of 1, 0, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, I can write in a 2-3 lines using a for loop. So how you are displaying, system dot out dot println. So how you are displaying elements at index, so in bracket I will write I. So because why I have written I is, so I need to display the index also. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So element at a index for first position. So what is the value? Like that I want to display. So for that I am using a plus age I. Now we'll compile. So now it is closed properly. Now we'll compile. Java C, file name dot Java. So running properly. Now we'll change command for a compilation. I don't put an extension also. So what we'll do, we'll give some spacing. Element at index 1 is 40. So we are starting with 1 in the sense it is not displaying the values of 0. So we'll start with the 0. So less than age dot length. We'll give slash t. So it will take a double space. So again slash t. Sorry, I need to do compilation. Something you are changed in the program, in the sense you need to be changed, or it need to be what? Compiled. So it is something wrong in formatting, that's why it's showing. So but output is cut now. See, 0th position is what? 20. Yes, 0th position is 20. So next, first position is 40. Yes, 10. Yes, 10. 50. Yes, 50. And last position is what? 100. So it displaying all the elements, so using a for loop now. So now what I need to change the values of some values, like I want to change the first value, so 0th position value I need to change. So what to do that? So what to do in the sense, directly you can use the index. So because we already know the indexes, so I can change 0 1 first element index value I want to change. I want to change it to 200. So now I will display the values. Now what I will do, system dot out dot println or else age now. So it displaying a 200. So you can change the value using this one, what using you can in middle of the somewhere you want to change the value. So I can change the value, but it not affecting the loop. So you want to change in the sense I can directly change here, but you want to change in somewhere in the middle of the program, directly you can using the index you can change the values. So how to get the main thing is how to get the data accessing the arrays using a for loop is important. So next programs we'll see, in other videos we'll see the Java other programs, basic programs. Till then practice these programs. Thank you.